What's up guys, this is Mr. Stacy and today I have with me a product na from a company that's trying to make their way into the Philippines, Wizmax. And they sent me this big chunky box, their Morph MK-1 mechanical keyboard. Now to be honest, if they didn't contact me for a product review, then malamang hindi ko sila malalaman. But yeah, shout out to Wizmax for sending me a unit of their Morph MK-1 keyboard. Ngayon, mas madami na mga established na kumpanya dito sa Pilipinas, mga local and mga not local na gumagawa ng peripherals, keyboards, mice, headsets. So ano kaya ang offer ng Wizmax sa mga bagong peripherals nila na siguro may similar characteristics din sa ibang mga peripherals na dito sa Pilipinas. So based dito sa description ng MK-1 itself, is more focus ata tong specific keyboard nila na to sa mga budget to mid-end na mga keyboards. And ang dami pa actually nila mga offering mula sa website nila at Wizmax Global. But personally, fan talaga ako ng itsura ng ZK1 nila na keyboard. Hindi over the top in design and may volume wheel. So yeah, bigay naman Wizmax. Okay, so buti naman napag-gasya ko siya dito sa desk ko as malaki talaga and chunky yung box na to. At about 19.5 inches long by 9.5 inches and about 2.5 inches thick yung box. And actually, compare ko to sa aking Royal Clutch RK100, which has been my keyboard for more than a year now. Ito nga pala, munti ka na makalimutan, is may 3 switch variant to. And yung Titan switch is feeling ko in-house switch ata ng Wizmax, yung Manic switch nila. Available in a blue, red, and brown switch variant, which I have with me is the brown switch variant. So ito yung mga dimensions niya, weight, pulling rate 1000 Hz, and yung company is based sa Shenzhen, China. So the Manic switch is a gaming switch made into consideration of the taste of the gamer in various ways. It is optimal for everyone's usage and it lowers the price range and boasts the best feeling of dryness and constant durability. So yeah, nice presentation naman so far. Morph. And here we have the keyboard itself. Set this aside muna. Tapos meron din tayong keycap puller, user guide, and feeling ko hindi ata hot swappable yung switches neto. But yeah, here we have the MK-1 itself. And one thing nakakaiba sa design neto is meron siya parang hard plastic dito sa edge, transparent hard plastic na based din sa packaging niya is nagla-light up to. And usually sa mga mechanical keyboard is ang parang pass-through lang for the LEDs is yung mga key characters mismo, pero dito is translucent din yung bottom part ng keycaps. And actually may mga alternative text tayo dito which mukha ata siyang Korean if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. So we have the Morph logo, an LED for numpad, caps lock, and scroll lock. And yeah, mukhang wired keyboard lang ata to. No wireless, no Bluetooth. So we have 2 rubber feet here, the kickstands, and siguro parang flex test or bend test. So there is a bit, pero konting-konti lang, minimal lang yung flex niya. So even though it's basically like all plastic if I'm not mistaken, is pretty solid naman yung build niya. Actually, scratch that, mukhang metal plate ata tong front cover na to. Yep. So yeah, there we have the Manic brown switch. Just a quick sound test. Bigla lang microphone ko dyan. So already feeling ko yung isang mod na pwede mong gawin dito is i-lube yung switches because hindi as crispy yung switches na to compared sa RK100 ko. But yeah. So yung switches kasi dito sa RK100 ko is red switches. And like in general, if ko compare mo yung red switches sa brown switches, is slightly heavier lang talaga yung brown switches. And kumpara yung browns naman sa blues is hindi ganong talaga kalala. Ewan ko, kalala ba? No offense sa mga blue switch fans dyan. Pero hindi kasing tigas and as pronounced yung tactile nature netong brown switches kumpara sa blues. So sa mga fans ng RGB dyan, para sa inyo to. Very nice naman yung yung plastic part na to na nagla-light up din. So gumagana naman yung mga secondary function keys. Brightness adjustment, function page 1, page down, change na mga colors, function arrow up, down. Ngayon may iba't iba mga presets na sa function 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, function insert, that's pretty cool. Hiwalay yung LEDs dito, or pwede mong i-customize yung LED bar dito. Siguro yun ang tatawag ko, LED bar dito sa taas. Hiwala yung lighting effects niya, which is pretty cool. Ayan, iba't iba mga lighting effects. Function F9. Ayan yung preferred na color scheme ko for my keyboard. Very nice naman yung itsura niya. Again, bukod sa pass-through ng LEDs is yung key characters mismo is meron din siya sa underside ng keycaps, which is very nice. So talagang maliwanag to kumpara actually sa ibang mga mechanical keyboard or pretty much any keyboard na nagamit ko before. So everything is great about this keyboard so far. Medyo off lang talaga yung typing experience para sa akin. Since again, mas crispier talaga yung rebounds and key presses dito sa RK100 ko kumpara dito sa Morph MK-1. And talagang impressed ako sa customization ng mga LEDs na ito. Again, pwedeng hiwalay yung sa keyboard mismo, main keycaps, and yung LED strip mo dito sa taas. And actually, curious ako like how this brown switch variant compares to the red switch variant. And siguro yun yung ibig sabihin nila, sinabi nilang best feeling of dryness dito sa switches na to. And to be honest, mas namimiss ko actually yung gantong layout ng mga full-size mechanical keyboard kumpara sa RK100 ko na actually after 1 year is medyo madami pa din ng mga typos as compress nga na form to ng full-size mechanical keyboard. And quick size comparison sa RK100 and yeah, ito naman talagang significantly smaller talaga yung RK100. Shorter, thinner. But yeah, that was the Wizmax Morph MK-1. I'm not sure if yung talagang brand nila is Morph or at least a specific product line na to is Morph Wizmax. Pero yun, no idea pa sa pricing na itong Morph MK-1 mismo as of making this video, meron pang 391 days bago magbukas yung Philippine website ng Wizmax. But yeah, overall, the MK-1 is a solid mechanical keyboard. Again, maraming salamat sa Wizmax for sending this to me for a review. Much appreciated. And that's gonna do it for now. Leaving a like is the easiest way to support the channel. Consider subscribing if you like my content and turn on notifications for all so you'll be updated on my latest videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Flip a bag, now I'm serving a Tesla. Going back, shawty with me, I stepped up. GTA for the ops and no less stuff. Shawty born to be my angel, yeah, I'm blessed up. Cooking right up in the stew, gotta check.